What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol KOD for Kodiak Sciences. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will be all about the massive gap down. It may look like prices are currently sitting here. No, we've had a massive gap down, making a move from roughly 50, just for round number's sake, all the way down to 10 for round number's sake, right? So absolutely horrific move in the stock. You've lost about 80% of your value, right? So does this mean it's a good deal, quote unquote, to hop in here and just buy it up at these levels? Well, let me point out why the answer to that question is absolutely not, at least as of right now. If you take a look at the first 30-minute bar here, there was an attempt to move higher, don't get me wrong, off the open. But because that was not sustained, because we closed the first 30-minute bar red, because we subsequently drive lower, it's not something that you want to be in. If this is quote unquote on sale and still has a ton of fundamental value, then this should be getting bought up like crazy off the open, and we should start working our way to fill that massive gap overhead. As soon as you see that not being the scenario, that's when you know you need to stay far, far away from a stock like this. Even on subsequent bounces, we get a little bit here, a little bit there into the end of the day, but notice that the magnitude of this one to this one is much less, right? This is not a stock you want to be involved in until we can either put in some sort of daily reversal pattern, or we take out the high and start working our way into that gap overhead. Just as reference point, that's going to be $11.43, right? So as of right now, if you're not long already, get this one off your radar. I don't really see it as a promising opportunity. If you were long from up here, start thinking about how much time, and if at all, this will potentially ever come back up to a break-even standpoint, right? So how much time do you want to sink into this? I would say, and from my experience, because I've been there, I've had to do this, it's much, much better to cut your loss. It's going to sting. It's going to hurt a lot, but you're going to clear up the mental space to start thinking about other opportunities, either in or out of the market, which is what you really need to start focusing on to recover from such a massive loss, right? So that's all I've got for you inside of KOD. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.